So for this integral here, it can seem quite a bit odd when we see the integral of e elevated to 2x dx. So that means, let's interpret this, that e is elevated to a function and we are integrating this whole thing in a variable which is inside this function. It is known for all of us from the world of mathematics and calculus that e, the integral of e, elevated to a certain thing, d, the same thing, can be said as e to the same thing plus, of course, c, our constant. Let's call it a little house, a little tiny house, a little cozy house. That is always true. So we need to adapt this expression in order to make it similar to this one here that we know. For that, we use the simple substitution. Whereby we call this function that we want to simplify u. U is equal to 2x. Now, we started well, but we still need to adapt this thing here. We need to place dx as a function, also as a function of u. So we know that du dx, which is nothing more and nothing less than the derivative of 2x, is equal to 2. We can adjust this expression to find how can dx be written as a function of du. We come to this following result, is that dx is equal to du divided by 2. So, as a new integral, we have the integral of e elevated to u plus du, what is dx? Du divided by 2. This equals to the integral of e elevated to the power of u plus times du times 1/2. 1/2. As everything is multiplied here inside of this integral, and this is a constant, this can come to the outside of the integral. So it turns things a little bit easier and simpler to manipulate. In fact, this is exactly equal to this thing here. So we have that this integral here is actually, we need to repeat this constant here. E, the integral of e elevated to the power of u du is nothing more than e elevated to u plus c. Who is u? We have the initial integral is equal to 1/2 multiplied by e elevated to the power of 2x plus c. As a short note, we don't need to multiply everything per 1 over 2, because c is a random constant. It doesn't make any difference, so we can keep it this way. It's already very beautiful. Thank you very much.